how to set your Yelp location. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can set your location in the Yelp app. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Yelp app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the three dash icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to the menu section. Now from here, you simply have to scroll down to the bottom and tap on settings. And now here, inside the settings, you can see the option labeled as my location. So just tap on it, and after that, you'll see the location place like this. So as of right now, I have already set my location, but if you haven't, you can just tap on the location box, and here you can simply type in your city, zip code or neighborhood wherever you want Yelp to find places, and after that you can allow Yelp to access your device location, and with that Yelp will show you restaurants, shops and services near your set location. Easy as that. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.